Hi, this is the market outlook for SPX for the week ending Friday the 8th. So looking ahead to Monday 11th onward. We've had a bullish the week before last. This past week we bumped onto that very strong resistance, which would have really opened gates for really moving higher to the 2900 area. Probably too early. After such a bull runaway market since January 1st, it was actually a good time. It's always easy to say in hindsight, of course, but it was a good time for profit taking. And profit taking was, in a way, commensurate to the previous moves. SPX lost about 100 points in a matter of a few days to find support on a strong support level in the 2730 area. It is actually the last strong support looking at the fib pattern from early February around 2680 to the highs. Market actually trying to dip lower to 2720 and then recovered late in the day. Strong buying actually after the close on the futures market. That said, I'm not going to plot a resistance level in terms of fibs around here. I think it may just stall quickly. So at this point, this is just a little bit of a short squeeze near the end of the day. It may go a little higher. And if we go back to the daily chart, we have a sell signal, which is looking pretty good. So if 2730, 2720 does break, we may go back to 2680 and there will be maybe a stop around 2700, going back to 2680, and then the next strong support will be probably around 2640, 2660 area. Of course, it is possible that swings being pretty large, 100 points, 300 points, 400 points, of course, within the next few weeks. This is an important witching day next week, quadruple witching. So we'll see how it goes on Thursday, and then maybe we will see whether the market is prepared to go to the 2650 area, which would be very strong. In terms of volatility, we've had flattening during the course of the week, with the term structure even attempting a slight backwardation. We will see how it goes on March, but this could be just a temporary blip. We will have a probably clearer picture after March witching. Maybe we could have a quick look at what the Russell is doing. The Russell is also having a strong support area on the 1500, 1510 area. It went down to actually 1510 on Friday, and it has recovered a bit towards the close, but it may be a little bit more bearish than SPX, because if this one breaks, well, I could probably plot a fib pattern here, but there's probably room to actually dip lower, which would not be too good for the weekly trade, but the weekly trade is actually positioned to actually sustain dip to 1500 or slightly lower. So it's not too bad, but we will see that in the weekly recap. Okay, that is it for now. So for next week, as I said, maybe some hesitation the first part of the week, and after witching, maybe we will test this strong support to then maybe aim a little bit lower, 2618, 2640, 50 area.